Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jared. I'm the new and improved Swole Link model. You can follow me on Instagram at jcal_athletics. Been working out for 2 years. Just trying to get buff, you know. Think it's working out so far. Flex the quads. I don't skip leg day. Yeah, I do private shows. You just gotta message me on Instagram. What's up, guys? Yeah, everybody share the broadcast. If you share it, I'll take my shirt off. Yeah, you want to lose a shirt? Share it then. Hey, thanks, man. I've been working out for just a little over 2 years now. I started out at 125 pounds. I'm up to 170 now. I've always been skinny like this, so I can just eat whatever I want. I don't really gain much fat. Alright guys, just about done here. If you have anything else to say, now's the time.